Hello class. Welcome to the online teaching lectures of St. Thomas High School, Mahua. First of all, I would like to welcome you all with the very new beginning of this second half of the academic year 2021. My dear students, today we are going to start with the second semester of English for the students of class 7th. Dear students, today we are going to start with unit number 1, the world around us. So here we are going to study various topics on which we are going to see the livelihood, the nature, the world which is around the human beings. Let's see with the activity number 1. Read the puzzle, discuss it with your partner and guess the answer. So here there is a small puzzle given for you in which in the last sentence you need to identify that what is the puzzle. Let's see. It can float, fly, or fall, is found on the land, in the oceans and the sky, in what I eat and drink, in fact, in every part of me. It's the most needed, most wanted, and most common substance on the earth, available for a price and for free. It is worshipped and feared. It is life giving and also causing death. It is dash. So here there is a small riddle given in which you need to identify the answer. It can float, fly or fall, is found on the land, in the oceans and in the sky. In what I eat and what I drink. In fact, it is the every part of me. So here the part which is needed by each and everyone, that is water. Water is also worshipped and it is the most common substance on the earth. It is most precious and even it is available with a price and also it is available freely. So the thing which is life-giving and also sometimes it is the cause of death, hence we can say it is water. In class 6th, you have, let's say activity number 2. In class 6, you read some activities related to water on earth. Let's read some more about water. Water for humans. Water is the basic component of each cell and essential for our existence. It keeps our body temperature at 36.8 degrees Celsius, forms parts of blood, helps to carry oxygen and nutrients to our cells and remove the waste material from our body. Water keeps us clean and healthy. We use water to cook food, wash utensils, clean different things, water the plants and flush the toilet. We also use it for recreation like swimming, sailing and fishing. Water is very essential. A person can survive without food for more than 30 days but less than a week without water. We use water for many things in our day-to-day life. So water for human beings, how much it is important is what we are going to see here. Water is the basic component of human body. It keeps the body temperature normal and also forms various parts of bloods and it also carries oxygen to the various parts of body. We use water in our day-to-day life, whether it is cooking food, washing utensils, cleaning things, watering the plants, etc. Also, in order to enjoy some moments of life, we also use water for recreation. That is, we go for various activities like swimming, sailing, fishing, etc. Water is very essential for human being. A person can survive 30 days without food, but a person cannot survive for less than a week without water. Hence, we use water in many things of our life. Now let's see what is agriculture. What is the use of water for agriculture? We use water as much as in 10 meters deep, 100 meters wide and 7.1 million kilometers in length. Long enough to encircle the globe 180 times to produce food for the today's world population every year. In order to obtain the food in using it for agriculture activities, we use 10 meters deep, 100 meters wide and 7.1 million kilometers in length to produce the food. That means in order to irrigate the crop which is required for the world's population, we use water in a very huge amount. Water as a habitat for animals and plants. From small fish in water ponds to the vast Pacific Ocean, almost every water body found on Earth is important habitat for plants and animals. Life began in water, and even today half of world's creatures live underwater. Water is considered as a habitat for many plants and animals. Many from small fish to a vast Pacific Ocean, thousands of creatures are found living under water. Now let's see water for industries and power production. Almost all industrial units use water either in production or disposal of byproducts. This is one of the main reasons why industrial belts have developed along the river banks. Water is a very important component in power production. River water is used to produce hydroelectricity by building dams and through thermal power stations. Water is also used in industries. Either it is used for the production purpose or in order to throw out the waste or of byproducts, in order to dispose the byproducts, or we can say which are the things which are leftovers, in order to dispose it. It is also the important reason that why the industries are set near the river banks. In order to obtain the electricity or in order to obtain the power in our house or in the various areas across the entire globe, rivers are used in order to create or generate the hydroelectricity by building dams over the rivers and also by setting the thermal power stations. So this is how we can say the water is related to the various activities in the earth. So dear students, here we are at the end of this video. In the very next video, we are going to start with activity number 3. Till then, you have to go through the textbook once and read the aforesaid activities at your home as a part of your homework. So till then, stay at your home and stay safe. Thank you.